YouTube? It's your boy Nature Below G. As you can see from the previous footage, it was a madhouse. Luckily for your boy, I was not only able to walk away with one pair, I was victorious and I walked away with 2 pair. But first, let me give you a little bit of context of everything that was going down in the previous footage. So, Sean Wotherspoon was here, right? And he had these 2 posters. If you pick the poster, you pick the right or the left. It's kind of like the red or blue pill, something like the Matrix, looking like Morpheus. He'll lift it up. If you had a golden ticket, you had the opportunity to get your shoe, not for free, but you was guaranteed your shoe, I guess in your size, I believe, I'm not sure, but they only had so many of those golden tickets at St. Alfred's. I wasn't able to get one of those, but what I was able to get is one of these shirts right here. It's all white, an all white long sleeve More Air t-shirt. Yo, this is dope. This was a free shirt they gave away at this event, and they also gave away posters, and I'll show you guys one of the posters right here. But the moment you guys have been waiting for, let's go ahead and get into the shoes. We got that box. Let's get up close and personal, baby. All right, let's get into it. So you got the box with the corduroys on there. I guess the corduroy Nike sign on there. This is a size 7.5. I wasn't able to get my size. Still looking for that size 9. Like I said, I got 2 pairs. I got a 7.5 and an 8. If anybody's looking for a trade, let's open up the box and get into the shoes. So, on the top of the box, you have this More Air. Right here it says More Air. For the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 1, 12 revolutions were invented to design the future of air. Well, something, I'm just going to leave this here. You guys can pause it if you want to read it, and you guys can see what it says. But let's go back and get into those shoes. Boom. So you have your Nike wrapping paper here. Get into the shoes. You got that extra pair of laces, blue, and another pair of purple. We also got a white pair. But let's get into the shoes. Bang, bang. Oh man. Yo, this is a really cool shoe, man. I didn't know if I was gonna really want it. Had to get it. Oh, got some nice material on the inside. Got a smiley face with a Nike check. That's pretty cool. Like I said, let's get more in depth with the shoe. So I was able to pick this pair up from Nike Town, Chicago. Man, you do not want to know what I went through to get these sneakers. That's another story for another day. Let's get into the shoes. So you got that brown corduroy here, gold stitching on the check, blue stitching right there with the green corduroy going into purple, turquoise, pink, gray, and like a yellow here. That's pretty cool. You got 2 patches here, one with the wave, and then on the other pack, it comes with some more patches, and that one has a Nike sign. Now, another pair that I seen before, from when Sean Wotherspoon was like showing, I guess, pictures of it, they had one, I guess these patches. One of them said Baller because, you know, Ben Baller helped design the shoe also. I'm not sure why it doesn't say that on this pair. I guess that's the difference between the other pair, and also the other pair came with accessories like a velour bag, I believe. But let's look at the inside of the shoe. The material on the shoe is like amazing, really plush. And the inside, you got that blue insole, that velvet insole, blue with an orange smiley face. It makes me smile every time I see it. You have this, like, it's like an off-white, kind of like a dingy white midsole. On the bottom, you got pink. At the back of the foot, you got gray, blue, and then that yellow. Regular old yellow strings with gold aglets. So that's pretty dope. I'm glad they did that. On the extra laces they give you though, on this white pair, you don't have any gold aglets, nor do you have them on the purple or the blue pair. Me personally, if I choose to keep the shoe, or if I can get my size, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put those purple laces in there. More so because I'm a Lakers fan. Go Lakers, right? Back of the shoe, it has BA to LA. Inside that air bubble, got that nice red. That's a pretty cool shoe, man. I guess because Sean Wotherspoon has the vintage shop round 2. I guess that's why the shoe looks vintage. Yeah, I'm rocking with it. I like it. But tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like the shoe? Is the shoe all hype? How are you feeling like the corduroy? One thing that I was thinking, as far as like what I would do to the corduroy, would probably like distress it so that it can look frayed, and I guess it can have that real vintage look to it. Since you know the shoe is supposed to look old and vintage, they say the shoe looks better once it gets worn a lot. So we'll find out about that. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about the video. Did you enjoy the sneakers? Were you guys lucky enough to get you a pair? I know a lot of people was lined up at St. Alfred, also at Notre Shop, and also the Nike store. Most of the boutiques trying to get a pair. Were you lucky? Were you successful? Tell me about your wins. Tell me about your L's. And I'll holler at you guys. I'm tired. Been up 24 hours, but I had to get this video to you guys. Peace.
I can't see myself getting out the game. No time soon.